Wow, this surface cleaner is the Cadillac of all surface cleaners. Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this surface cleaner for pressure washers from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Okay, let's take it out of the bag. Okay, we've got it out of the bag. We have the operator's manual here. We have the surface cleaner itself. We'll look more at the design and features of that. We have two extension wands to hook up between the surface cleaner and your pressure washer wand itself. Okay, we have this little bag of looks like Teflon tape, a couple of extra nozzles, spray nozzles that go underneath the surface cleaners in the event they go bad, with a couple of O-rings. Okay, taking a closer look at this surface cleaner, what makes it so different from all the other surface cleaners is its octagon shape compared to the circular or round shape of all other surface cleaners. This octagon shape allows more effective cleaning along walls or corners as opposed to the round circular surfaces itself. Another great feature, its own 4 caster wheels that you see that are made of stainless steel that rotate 360 degrees. You also have an overspray skirt around it. So having the 4 caster wheels allows the surface cleaner to smoothly glide across your surfaces to clean, and it'll always maintain the perfect height for cleaning that will prevent a lot of the striping and swirl marks in your cleaning and the various variations. Makes pushing and pulling the surface cleaner basically effortless because there's no friction having the 4 caster wheels on there. So if we look underneath, you see you have the oscillating spray nozzles. And also, as I stated earlier, it comes with 2 extra tips in the event that they were to go bad. The washer is rated up to 4,000 PSI. This surface cleaner is actually 17 inches by 17 inches, but the cleaning dimensions are 16.5 inches by 16.5 inches. You have the 1/4 inch quick disconnect that you use in conjunction with the extension wand. You just pull it back, put it in place, and then make sure that sleeve is slid down, and then you're ready to go. And it comes with 2 wands. You can use 1 or 2 depending on your height itself from an ergonomic standpoint. Okay, using this surface cleaner will clean up to 6 times faster than using just your standard pressure washer nozzles. This will be the perfect surface cleaner for cleaning garden paths, patios, pool decks, parking lots, garage floors, and driveways, as well as various surfaces as well. So let's give it a test. So you can already see the differences between the surface that is being cleaned with the new Octagon surface cleaner versus not being cleaned. There is a distinct difference there, and the corners are much better. A whole lot easier to run along the wall. If the wall was smoother, it'd be even a smoother glide, but since I have the dry stacked stone, sometimes the casters may get a little stuck. I'm very pleased with how close it can get to the walls and the corners. While this surface cleaner is the Cadillac of all surface cleaners, it is effortless to use, does a very efficient job. You don't have to worry about trying to reach those corners or cleaning along the walls, having to go back and use your single nozzle to clean those surfaces. This is a super surface cleaner. I'll never go back to the round surface cleaners again. So I highly recommend this octagon shape surface cleaner.